morning. My name is Roger, and I am the product marketing manager for Go India. And we are happy to present to you the latest series for the Reno, which is the Reno 15 series. We actually come up with the market with three different variants. We have the Reno 15 Pro, we have the Reno 15 Pro Mini. This is the first time that we've launched an compact variant of it because the market demands for a compact variant. And this is the first time that we've done this in the Reno 15 series. And then we have the Reno 15, which is the base variant. Essentially, if you look at it, this is the first time that we're bringing a 3D design on the back. So this is done through Oppo's HoloFusion technology. Essentially, it gives you a 3D look as the device, as you move it against the light. In terms of the camera system, we are offering a 200 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel telephoto 3.5 zoom, 3.5x zoom, and then we have a 50 megapixel ultra wide camera. On the front as well, we have a 50 megapixel ultra wide camera. It comes with a lot of great features, and it's all backed by ColorOS 16. It is the latest Android operating system. We have the pop-out feature. It's a very cool feature that we're actually bringing in. It lets you combine 2 or 3 different photos together so that you can put it on social media. I can just give you a quick example of what it is. So I'm just going to select these images, and together they will become a pop-out. So it gives people a creative control on how they want to put images on social media. Yeah, so the beauty of this is you can be as creative as possible, and you can put it on social media. So we want to give people more creative freedom. Yeah, and the starting price for the Reno 15 series is 45,999. And we have a bunch of different consumer offers, starting with 15 months of zero down payment in all leading banks. We have an exchange offer, so you can bring in your older device and you can get a little bit of discount on that as well. And then we also have a 180 days screen replacement offer.